Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the degree of a algebraic expression. You might be wondering, say, what kind of Dracula type thing it is. Obviously it's not something called Dracula. It's very easily we can solve this type of problems, and it's a very easy concept. Very simple concept. The degree of an algebraic expression means the highest power of the variable in the algebraic expression. Say, let me first write down the algebraic expression. Say 5x cubed. I'm using only one variable, and later I will give one other example having two variable. So this is the algebraic expression having only one variable. So 5x cubed, 6x squared, 7x plus 9. Okay. So in this algebraic expression, the degree of we have to find the degree of this algebraic expression. What will be the degree of this algebraic expression? It will be the highest power of the variable. So what we can do, we can simply first find out the degrees. We can simply first find out the variables. So what I can do, I can just cancel out all the coefficients, and I can just write down the variables, because we just need to deal with the variables. Okay, so that's x squared. So in between these variables, what is the highest power of the variables? We know if nothing is written that it must be 1. So this is something who has the highest power, right? And the highest power we can see 3. So highest exponent of the variable is 3. So that means it has the degree 3. So let's do one other. Say we have 5x to the power 7, 6x to the power minus 3, 9x squared plus 7. So what will be the degree of this polynomial? We can see the variable has a negative power, right? So it's not a algebraic expression, because we all know the algebraic expression cannot have any negative or a fraction into its power. So no degree. But if it is in positive 3, then the 7 will be the degree, because it is the highest power of the variable. That means it's easy to find out the degree of an algebraic expression. Okay, negative power and the fraction will not work. Let's take one other example, but that time we will be using multiple variables instead of using a single variable. Say we have 5x squared y plus 6x cube y cube plus z to the power 7 plus 9xyz plus 6. Okay, a huge one. What we first do, first we will remove all the coefficient thing. Okay, and we'll just write down the variables: x cube y cube, z to the power 7, x y z, and 6. Now if I look at these variables, what I need to do, I need to first write down the hidden powers. Hidden powers, I used to say these are the hidden powers, because look, in the top of y we cannot see any power, but it has a power that is 1. In the same way, this x has 1, this y has 1, and this z has 1. Okay, something to the power 1 is the thing itself. So x to the power 1 is x, and something to the power 0 is equals to 1 always. A variable to the power 0 is always 1. Now what I need to do now, I have to add all these powers together. For the first term, if I add 2 plus 1, it will be 3. We have to take the cumulative powers. So for the second one, I add 3 plus 3, I get 6. For the for the third term, I have 7. For the fourth term, I have 3. And for this, I know that's x to the power 0, so it has the degree 0. Because the 6 can be written as 6 times 1, and the 1 can be written as, this 1 can be written as x to the power 0. So it's 6 times x to the power 0. So that's how. Now I have to check which is the highest thing here. 6, 7, 3, 0. So obviously 7, right? So that means this algebraic expression has the degree 7. So we can say it has the degree 7. Let me give you one other example. So say we have x cube y cubes plus x square y cube plus xyz cube plus xy square p to the power 5 plus 6xy square plus 7. Okay, so just pause the video and find out what is the degree of this algebraic expression and write the answer into the comment section. Tra-la-la-la. Okay, I think you got the answer. If your answer is 8, then you are correct. Otherwise, let me help you out. For the first one, I need to add their power. So 3 plus 3, 6. For the second one, it's 2 plus 3, 5. For the third one, it's 1, 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, 5. Here, 1 plus 2 plus 5, it's 8. Here, 1 plus 2, which is 3. And here, it's 0. So we can see obviously 8 is the largest number we can find. So the answer will be 8. So here, the degree of this polynomial will be 8. Remember, in order to find the algebraic expression, in order to find the degree of algebraic expression, we must remember always that the algebraic expression should not have any negative power or the fraction in it. Okay, thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we will start with the basic rules of adding, subtracting the algebraic expressions and so on, the powers of the algebraic expression, and then the linear equation. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos with others.